Hey there, welcome. Today we're going to be fixing the felt pressure pad on your cassette tape, and I'm going to show you just how easy it can be with just a few household items. So you popped in your favorite cassette, you are getting footloose, and all of a sudden, out of nowhere, it just gets all muffled, it sounds tinny, your high-end stereo sounds like a dollar store radio now. Well, most likely the felt pressure pad fell off. Now if the felt pad is out of place or missing, there is no pressure on the tape head that reads the magnetic tape within the cassette. Don't worry, your favorite tape is not garbage. All you really need to fix this is some super glue, a paper clip or a toothpick, and tweezers are optional, but they really do help, and of course the felt pressure pad. Now, if you're lucky, the felt pressure pad will just be sort of sitting in there, and it just sort of fell off the metal spring there, and you can just take that out and use it. Sometimes I found them just right inside the case here, so make sure to look in there. But if not, you could put yourself together a little kit like this. Now these are all from cassettes that did not work or were broken. Here's a bunch of the metal springs, and of course these felt pressure pads. And if you have a nice little collection, you can find just the right shape and size that was once on the metal spring there. And if you don't have access to a bunch of tapes that you can use these felt pads, there's a link in the description where you can find some on Amazon, a nice sheet of felt that you can cut yourself. Now that we have everything that we need, we can start the repair. Just make sure to rewind the tape so only the clear leader is showing. Even the oil on your finger can, start the tape deteriorating there. You don't want that. Now in this case, the felt pad is just sitting there, so we can make sure that comes out nicely. There it sits. We'll have that nice and ready. We're gonna make sure it is on the correct side to be glued, which is this side here. Here is the fuzzier felt side. So we're gonna keep that ready to go. And now that this is ready to put glue here on this little metal spring, and that's all we need to do. Now we can use our tape case as a little holder here. Just sort of prop it up against something. And then we're gonna take our paper clip and put just the tiniest bit, and I really mean the tiniest bit of super glue on there. And that's all we need. And just make sure to put it on there, spread it out a little bit, and we're going to take our felt pad and drop it on there. And now we just want to center it. Make sure it is on there just as it was. And once we have it centered, we can see it's already sort of sticking there. But we want to sort of, kind of push down on it very gently. And then, when it's nice and centered, we can once again sort of re-spool the tape, put it nice and tight against the repair, and just let it sit there. Wait about 10 minutes, and you are ready to rock. Well, there you have it. We hope you get back to channeling your inner Kevin Bacon in no time. And don't forget to share this with your fellow cassette-loving friends. This is an awesome technique to have in your repertoire. So we'll see you next time, guys. Hats up to you.